This is an epic tale about treason, power, and glory. We have created a unique effect where a card comes to life. Imagine a card stepping out into the real world. Let's see what happens. A deck of cards is freely shown. The cards are taken out from the case. There is a royal family living in the deck. The two most important members are the king and the prince. The prince makes his father vanish using his magic, taking the throne. But the king's will is so strong that he breaks the curse and comes back to life. Tell your audience the legend of the king. This effect is super visual and easy to do. The gimmicks are high quality, so you can perform it again and again. The king is hand-painted, it can't get any more unique.